The last thing I want to talk about as you're going through history is the value of biographies. Biographies kill about 8 birds with 1 stone. So they're going to teach children who somebody like Abraham Lincoln or Benjamin Franklin. It doesn't look good at family dinners when someone says Abraham Lincoln and they say who. That isn't good. So we want our children to have, cultural literacy, but way beyond, name recognition and dates and battles and things, which is that kind of 2-dimensional history that all of us were taught and all of us hated. We want to go deep into history, and it's the story of people's lives. And so as we study the lives of people, then we just quilt them together. We just kind of stitch all their lives together. And that's history. History is really just a series of biographies. So great men's lives, great women's lives, and what do children always come out of reading a famous person's life with? What do they always say? Ding, now I see it. The lights go off in their minds. What do they always take away from that? It was always hard, You read the life of great people. It wasn't like, and then we went to the country club, and then we, toured Europe, and then we ate bonbons. It's always hard. I mean, I've been even reading books about famous children's authors, and every single one, their father died when they were 5, their father died when they were 6, their father died when they were 3. I'm just like, am I seeing a pattern here? And I'm reading about their lives, and there's these constant patterns of hardship, overcoming adversity. This is where character is built. And it's so good for our children to say, wow, how many inventions did he come up with before he was successful? Or, you read the life of Edison, he's a perfect example, but there's so many of them. So it's a series of biographies. That's really what history is about.